whistle. Now it's your turn. In easy steps. First step, you have to fold your hands like this. Make sure there is no air gaps anywhere in the hands. Don't fold them too hard. Don't fold them too hard like this. Yeah, just a normal way. Relax their hand like this. Then you fold them like this. Forms like a palm. See, it's a palm, but you close the air gaps here. Then you press on the, if you are right-handed like me, press your left hand like this here. See, like this. I press here on my hand. Then I coil them, forming like a pocket, a small pocket. You see a small pocket inside here. Then after folding your hand like this, you are going to close all the air spaces at the back of the hand, remaining only with one opening here in between the joints of the hand. This is where you are going to blow in the air. Here there will be only a small opening here. You see, like this. Then you blow in the air. Let's try. Are you able to do it? You can be as round as you want, and if you want to call birds in the forest, you can try and call them. That is the bass sound, the simplest one, like producing a sound with your hands. That is the bass sound. Now you can add some tricks and it will have something like this. Like that. Are you able to do it? The first step is to hold your hands like this, forming a palm, closed palm where there is no air gaps left. Then this is your palm. If you are right-handed like me, you press on your right hand on the left arm like this. Then you form a pocket. You close the openings behind it and press this one, this pointing finger. Then you place your thumb finger on top of it, and it forms a shape like this, a pocket. Like, assume like you are holding a golf ball inside. Then you have to tie it right here, or an orange. You have to tie it right here, but not too hard. Make it like it is something you're grabbing slowly, not too hard. Don't touch your hands like this; the hair will not come out. Then you do. It can be as round as you want. First of all, form the bass sound, the one I'm producing. Are you able to do it in like 3 steps? First step like this, hold your hands, no ear gaps, place your left hand and your right hand on the top of the left hand, form a pocket, then blow in the air on the joints of the thumbs here. Like that. Are you able to do it? Let me know, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for the next video. If you're able to do it, let me know in the comment. And if you are not do it, I can explain further and show you the next form where you can bird whistle with your hands or without your hands like this. See you on the next video. Thank you.